Using Zelle can be a convenient and efficient way to send and receive money. And by following best practices, you can ensure a smooth and secure experience. To get started, you need to have a bank account in the United States and be enrolled in your bank's online banking or mobile banking app. First, check if your bank or credit union offers Zelle, as not all financial institutions participate in the service. If your bank does offer Zelle, you can enroll through your bank's online banking or mobile app. You will need to provide your email address or mobile phone number, which will be used to identify you and facilitate transactions. When sending money, make sure you have the recipient's correct email address or mobile phone number, as transactions cannot be canceled once they are initiated. Also, be aware that the recipient must also be enrolled in Zelle to receive the money. To send money, log in to your bank's online banking or mobile app, navigate to the Zelle section, and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number and the amount you want to send. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming the payment. On the receiving end, if someone sends you money through Zelle, you will receive a notification via email or text message. If you are not already enrolled in Zelle, you will need to enroll within 14 days to receive the money. To minimize the risk of scams and unauthorized transactions, be cautious when sending money to people you do not know, and never send money to someone who claims to be from a company or government agency. Additionally, keep your bank account and Zelle information secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication whenever possible. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to your bank immediately. By following these best practices, you can enjoy the convenience of Zelle while maintaining the security of your financial information. Remember to always verify the recipient's information. Be cautious when sending money, and keep your account information secure to ensure a safe and successful Zelle experience.